I'm gonna go ahead and surprise him today with a brand new iPhone 12. I did go to the Xfinity store. What's really good, innocent crew? It's your girl Rosie coming back to you with another video. We got the whole family here today. Alright, how you doing? How you feeling?
Feeling good, feeling great. How about you, Nana?
Feeling good, feeling great. How about you, King?
Feeling good, feeling great. How about you, Carter? Feeling good, feeling great. How about you, Kenny? Feeling good, feeling great. How about you, Daddy?
Damn, I already win.
Well, you just gonna forget about mommy. I'm doing good, doing great. How are you, innocent crew? Comment down below, let me know how y'all feeling on this beautiful morning. Y'all, we already in the car. We're loaded up. On the agenda today, the kids have been asking us to go here for the longest, even when it was freezing. And today is actually a sunny day with Florida's bipolar weather. Y'all, where we going? To the beach. Not just forget about them having a pool in the backyard. Like, they want to go to the beach. And we are in South Florida. It's sunny for now, so we gonna take them to the beach. And guess what? Y'all get to tag along with us. See how the innocents do at the beach. This is gonna be hilarious, y'all. So if you're new to the channel, you're breezing by, we want you to go ahead and click on that subscribe button. Kaylee, give this video what?
A big thumbs up and click the notification bell.
Translation, make that bell go ding and enable your post notifications. So every time we upload something, you guys are up on it. Y'all, do y'all have beaches in? We don't mind, we don't mean to like throw it in y'all faces, like if y'all in Texas, if y'all somewhere where it's freezing cold, I'm sorry. So just watch this video in awe and just wish you were here. You're here with us in spirit, y'all, okay? All right, in spirit. So we'll catch y'all when we get to the beach. This is what it looks like coming down from the beach. This is Fort Lauderdale Beach, what we refer to as Los Olas. There's also Miami Beach if we decide to go to Miami, but this is the closest to us, and we won't be here that long. The kids, they love to come to the beach, but they'll last about 30 to 45 minutes tops, typically.
5 minutes.
5 minutes is
5
what
minutes. That's all I'm giving.
5 minutes. But yeah. Wait a minute. As soon as I open this door, this cold breeze is hitting me. These children don't listen. And leave it up to Bar. You see? You see? You see? Listen. The kids talking about weird. It's secure. The perique is secure, okay? Don't try me. The perique is secure, okay? Listen, it is cold. I give these kids at least, Carter, come this way. We just parked. I give these kids literally 5 minutes. I don't know why Bari entertains them. Please hold on to your towel. It's cold. Okay, guys. They're gonna pop. promise. So, how y'all feeling? Y'all cold? Y'all ready to get in the beach water? Oh, okay. You ready, Mama? Yeah, right here should be a good spot. Set up right here as soon as you walk in. The sun is out. It's a nice day, but it's also windy. Look, Carter and King wasted no time. They will be in that water for about 5 minutes. How you feeling, Barry?
Feeling good, feeling cold.
Exactly. It was your bright idea to come here.
It was their idea. The boys.
Yeah, they've been
I
asking.
told you it was cold. Get out there.
Go
Out
ahead.
there.
Go. Kaylee, come over here on this side. Carter! King! Carter! Y'all come back over here. Something about the beach, like you start in one location and it shifts you without even you realizing it. Farther and farther. Uh-oh. Nah, bring them back over here. It's pretty cold, y'all. Well, for South Florida, it's pretty cool and windy. The sun is still out, but it's still windy, so not our typical beach weather. So the kids made a new friend. His name is Leon, and Barre is teaching him how to play football since the boys like to play football.
Hey, go. Oh, shake it back. Oh, put the burners on. All right, come on. All right, now you ran out of bounds now. What? Ran out of energy? Go. You put the bird. Ooh, shake it.
That boy tired. He's tired.
Okay. Get that get back.
Let's go, King.
He needs some milk.
Hit it with a shake it, baby.
You gotta get up. You can't stay down. You can't stay down.
Man, hit you with a shake it, baby. Whoa. Game over.
What?
Carter.
The game is over.
So who got bragging rights? Carter got the bragging rights.
You go to win next time and you get a trophy. Who what? That
You
Peter
won?
Carter is going to win.
Let me see your wind dance. Let me see your wind dance. Hit me with a wind dance. You so dry.
Who wet towel?
You so dry. That's your wind dance.
Who wet towel? I don't need wet. Where my towel?
Where your victory dance?
I'm sure.
You ain't got no victory dance for me? Oh, 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 oh. And that is a wrap. We are leaving the beach. It is windy. It's cold because it's windy.
No.
But the kids enjoyed themselves. Yeah.
Gotta hold it.
Yeah, I'm cold.
Look at her. Dragging the bacon. She's cold. Alright, come on. Oh, look at all this sand in your hair.
Why?
And everybody's hair. Kaylee, I just did your hair and look at sand in your hair everywhere. Nope, no, because they're dry. It's so windy. Did you enjoy the beach, sir?
Sure did.
You got sand all by your lip. All in your beard. You too, sand everywhere.
It's because your kids come kicking sand all everywhere. Back up, mama.
Back up, Kaylee. I think the blanket should be tied up a little bit better because she's in the ball. She might trip. What's really good, innocent crew? It's your girl Rosie, and it is the next day from the beach. We did not get an opportunity to close out the vlog yesterday, but as you can tell, everyone had a good time, even though it was so windy. And being that it was windy, the wind kind of made it cool. But the kids actually lasted longer in the water than expected because they typically be in the water for like 5 minutes and call it a day. But anywho, today, as you can tell, I do not have any of the kids with me. Bahrain and the kids are home. I snuck away because I am going to be surprising Bahrain with a brand new iPhone 12. I am here at his service provider. I'm gonna go inside, copy him that new iPhone 12 because let me tell you, Bahrain has the oldest phone. I don't know. I think it's either a 7 or 8, but all I know is that it is dirt old. So basically, every time I tell him, like, go upgrade your phone, he always says he's going to upgrade it. But he's such a great dad and he's such a great husband. He's always putting us ahead of, you know, his needs or his wants. Like, he needs a new phone. He wants a new phone. No, he wants a new phone and he needs a new phone. But he will definitely buy the kids something, some new sneakers, or buy me something before actually upgrading his phone. Like, it definitely needs to be upgraded. And I know if I leave it up to him, it'll never be upgraded. So I'm going to go ahead and surprise him today with a brand new iPhone 12. I'm going to go into the Xfinity store. and cop him this brand new iPhone 12 because baby, what he got right now is definitely dirt old and needs to go. And I contemplated doing the destroying his old phone and surprising him with a new phone, but I won't do that. I'll just surprise him with a new phone because I think his old phone we are going to give to Kaylee. Not that it's going to be connected like a working mobile phone, but just like something that she can utilize when she's like on Wi-Fi or something like that, when she's connected to Wi-Fi. I think I'll do that. But yeah, let me go into the Xfinity store. I'm here at the plaza now. I'm going to go in and get this new phone for him and then go back home and surprise him because I know we're supposed to go to Walmart and run some errands. So yeah, I'll be back in a few. Let's see how long this takes to get this phone programmed and purchase this new phone.
2 hours later.
Okay, innocent crew, I am back. I just caught my baby a brand new iPhone 12. Like, what, an hour later, probably 45 minutes. Took longer than I expected, but I got him the black one. And I did go ahead and make them set it up already since I know all his information and password. But I know he's going to be appreciative, and I am just happy that we will definitely and finally be able to take a decent picture on his phone, because his phone now that he has, like that old phone, like when he goes to the camera, it shakes. Like you could be holding the camera, like the phone still, but his camera shakes. I just think, yeah, it's just so weird and so odd. So definitely time for a new one. So I'm gonna go ahead and slide back home. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Should I just give it to him? Like, here go your new phone. Should I, like, I don't know. We'll see. I have a ways to drive home, so I'll see. Figure this out. I'll show y'all. I'll get back with y'all when I get home and we see how he reacts. I think I'm gonna have to hide the camera though, because then if I have the camera out, then he's gonna know like I'm doing something. Or I could probably just act like we're vlogging. I'll figure it out. I got a ways to drive, so. I made it home. The kids and Vari are outside. They're gonna come inside because we have to run to Walmart and run some more errands. So I thought about it on the drive home, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just basically, right before we head out to go to Walmart, I'm going to ask Vari to take my picture because I think I'm feeling cute or whatever. And he's gonna say, like he always say, give me your phone, because his little old raggedy phone right now doesn't take good pictures. So I'm gonna say, why don't you upgrade your phone? Like, you should always upgrade your phone, whatever, just freestyle it. And then tell him to go get the bag on my work desk. That's where I put it, and I know he won't look there. But I'll be like, you know what, go get this before you take my picture. And then he'll discover that I just surprised him on a new phone. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So let me go ahead and set up this camera real quick. All right, Vari, you ready to go? Come on, we gotta go to Walmart.
Hey, I'm ready.
Hold on, before we go, take my picture, because I think I'm feeling cute or whatever. Take my picture for me before we leave.
You always feel cute. Look at you. Give me your phone. My phone.
No, take with your phone, please.
My phone right here. Pictures on it. Come on, baby.
I know, that's why you're supposed to upgrade your phone. What's taking you so long?
I told you I'm gonna do it probably next week or something.
You know what? Go on my desk and get that brown bag for me, please, before you take my picture. That's that bag. Great. That's great. Look at it. Get that. I did go to the Xfinity store. That's all you, baby. So take my picture with the iPhone 12. Yes, baby, upgrade.
Thank you.
You got the ready phone. You welcome.
You gotta save my little money now. What I gotta do for that 12?
Well, you know.
Yeah, I like this.
Okay, now take my picture now for it though, because you got a new phone.
Okay.
It's already programmed. All you have to do is just, sign in and then do all your stuff. You don't know how to work it out. You used to a home button. You gotta swipe up. This don't have no home button.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Right. You see him. He got a new iPhone 12.
I'm about to get used to this. Though.
Right. Before he didn't even have, he had, his phone was so old. Let me see your old phone. Let me show them your old phone. His phone was so old, y'all. He had a home button. Like, who still has a home button? Now he working with a 12 without a home button.
Upgraded.
That's right.
Thanks to wifey, you know. I like this.
Of course. Well, that is all, y'all. We gotta head to Walmart before night falls upon us. Thanks for watching, y'all. Comment down below if y'all like his new iPhone 12.
I like it. I like it.
Thanks for watching, y'all. If y'all new to the channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Kaylee, give this video a what?
If you thumbs up and give us a confirmation bell.
Y'all, translation, make sure you make that bell go and enable your notifications so every time we upload something, y'all are up on it. And it's St. Crew. We are out.